sectors nowadays in the country is the EdTech sector. This sector raised to heights during the COVID-19 and the lockdown, when all the students, be it of schools or of colleges, could not attend the physical campus learning. This was when one of the most important decisions which the government had to make. Social gathering was the cause of the spread of coronavirus, so the question was how to manage the education system without infecting more people. The technology here came to the rescue. But it also exposed the real and true picture of the Indian education system, which had and even has today so many flaws. But eventually the technology helped, and the lucky and fortunate students were able to manage their education online. The medical colleges have now opened, but the decision of the rest of the colleges is to be taken by the state government. Many startups came up in this sector during the COVID-19. 4 of the startups of this sector have become part of the famous and the golden unicorn club. These 4 startups are Byju's with a valuation of $16.5 billion, Unacademy with a valuation of $3.4 billion, Vedantu with a valuation of $3.2 billion, and Upgrad with a valuation of $1.2 billion. The startups which are on the way and are expected to enter the unicorn are TechMint, having a current valuation of $40 million, ClassPlus having a current valuation of $60 million, Quizizz having a current valuation of $47 million. One of the other startups which have now come into the eyes of the world is Expertrons. The startup, as announced on August 18, 2021, has raised $2.3 million. This round of funding was the pre-Series A round of funding and was led by various investors like Venture Catalyst, Oxano Capital, Venture Garage, Yoga Capital, R Ventures, Lead Angels and Hyderabad Angels. The other participants of the round were the existing investors of the startup, which were Lex Venture, Ivy Cat Ventures, IVS, and Managing Director of Sixth Sense, Nikhil Vora. Many big entrepreneurs also took part in the round of funding. The names in this list are Brie Pettis, co-founder of MakerBot, and the founder of Early Salary. Out of the funds raises, USD 330k has been raised from R Ventures. The investment company with this round of funding has made its 21st investment in the country in the year 2021 and is planning 5 more investments which are expected to be announced soon. This round increases the portfolio of R Ventures to $30 million, which is equivalent to INR 224 crore. It has made a total investment of number 84 in 67 startups, out of which 11 have made an exit to date and 2 more are in the process of exiting. The startup plans to use the funds raised in the patent pending video, bot technology and recommendation engines. This will be done so that the people and aspirants have the access to the right experts to help them get their dream opportunities. Founded in Mumbai, Expertrons is engaged in providing a platform of interactive video bots which are domain-specific experts from the top organization. These top experts help the aspirants for the interviews, internships and top business schools. The startup was founded in 2019 by the alumni of the notable Indian Institute of Technology or IIT, Mumbai, Jatin Solanki and Vivek Gupta. Jatin Solanki, an IIT Mumbai pass out of the batch 2012, is a TEDx speaker, has done research in UPM Malaysia and has secured 3rd position in the prestigious EQGSEA. He was also the founder of a gamified education platform, StepUp Udisfund. This startup was backed by Amitabh Bachchan. Vivek Gupta, who is an alumnus of IIT Mumbai of the batch 2012 and is the co-founder of previously founded Plansys, which is a test preparation company. This startup was then publicly acquired by a listed education company. He has mentored more than 30,000 students and has been featured in big names like the Times of India, Hindustan Times and DNA. The startup has done extensive research and found out that there are more than 1.5 billion professionals who are upcoming in this world, and they change careers around 5 to 7 times in their lifetime. And such people could make the best use of the guidance to reach at the top in their career. Their research further showed that India has around 30 million young people who spend around $5,000 in higher education. They all have the aim of getting a dream career, and most of these aspirants are graduates from first generation who have nobody to guide them in their career choices. The startup has the world's largest AI-based video bot technology platform that helps it in futuristic communications, hiring and placement solutions for business and educational institutes, and edtech and career guidance services for the end customers. Video bot technology is the next step to the chatbot, and currently they are in the early stages of development and implementation. Video bots can be placed on any web page and can be used across various domains and roles like sales, customer support and service, product and service inquiries, demos, FAQs and many others.